Namaste everyone. So in this video let us learn example 2 and example 3 from your NCERT textbook from chapter real numbers. So in the previous video we learned exercise 1.1 first main how to find HCF by Euclid division lemma. So let us recall what lemma says. You know that when A is divided by B, so there exists a quotient Q and remainder R. So we can write A can be written as B into Q plus R. What is the condition of R? Where R is less than B and greater than or equal to 0. So keeping this Euclid division lemma in mind, let us continue example 2. So what is asking? Show that every even positive integers is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. First, let us try to understand what is the concept behind this question. So, he is asking show that every even positive is in the form of 2q and every odd positive integer is in the form of 2q plus 1. So, what is meaning of this? So, let me explain with few examples. He has given that every even positive integer is in the form of 2q and every odd positive integer is in the form of 2q plus 1. When you compare this with the Euclid division lemma, so you can see A equals to 2q plus r. Here remainder is 0 and q is matching. You can see in place of b what you have 2. So here also bq plus 1. So what is b here? 2. So from this we can understand that any even number, if I divide by 2, it will be in this form, 2q form. And any odd number, if I divide by 2, it will be in the form of 2q plus 1. So let me explain with example. Now let me take an even numbers. I have taken here 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers and I am dividing them by 2. So 2 2s are 4. You can observe here remainder is 0. So when you write in lemma form, you can compare 4 can be written as 2 into 2 plus 0. So compare here 2q form. You can see here it is 2q where q is quotient, that is 2. If I take 6, 2 3s are 6. So how will you write? 6 can be written as 2 into 3 plus 0. So nothing but it is 2q form. So 2q. Even number. So 2q form. This is also even number. So I can write in the form of 2q. So another even number. Any even number if you take, when you divide it by 2, you can see 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. So 8 can be written as 2 into 4 plus 0. Again you can see an even number is in the form of 2q plus 0. That is 2q form. Now let us consider some odd numbers. So you can see 3 is an odd number. Again I am dividing by 2. Why I am dividing by 2? Because according to the question, I have to express them in the form of 2q plus 1, 2q plus 1 form. So that is 2 itself. This coefficient of q can be written as b according to the Euclid lemma. That is bq plus r 2q. So in place of b you have 2. So if I divide by 3, 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. So how will you write? 3 can be written as 2 into 1 plus 1 form. So if you observe, you can write this in the form of 2q plus 1 form. Similarly, 5. When you divide 5 by 2, 2 2s are 4. So remainder is 1. So how will you write? 5 can be written as 2 into 2 plus 1. That is 2q plus 1 form. Next 7. 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 1. So 7 can be written as 2 into 3 plus 1. So these are all I have given examples to understand the question. But all this not necessary to explain in the solution. So we have to use lemma and explain. We can write in 2q form if it is even number. And we can write in 2q plus 1 if number is odd. So let us consider, let a be any positive integer. I am taking here, let a be any positive integer and b equal to 2. Just now I told why b is 2, because he has given 2q, that is bq plus r. So in place of b you have 2. Here also you can see 2q plus 1. In place of b you have 2. So let a be any positive integer and b equal to 2. Now let us use Euclid lemma. According to Euclid's lemma, a can be written as. So what is a? Lemma tells you a can be written as a equals to bq plus r, where r is less than b, greater than or equal to 0. So just compare this and replace b by 2. So a equals to, instead of bq, we can write 2q plus r, where r is less than b. So b is here 2. R is less than 2, greater than or equal to 0. So therefore the possible remainders are, what are the possible remainders by this condition? R is less than 2, it cannot be 2, and equal to 0, greater than 0. So what we get? 0 and 1. The only possible remainders are 0 and 1. Then how will you write a? A can be written as, so substitute here in this equation, you substitute in place of r 0. So what you will write? 2q plus 0, it becomes 2q. Or 2q plus another remainder is 1. So 1 you write. 2q plus 1 form, because we have only two remainders 0 and 1. If I take 0 as a remainder 0, then it will become a can be written as 2q. If the remainder is 1, then a can be written as 2q plus 1. So these are only two possibilities we can write. So that only is asking in the question, show that every positive integer is of the form of 2q, and that every positive odd integer is in the form of 2q plus 1. And as we know that the multiples of 2 are always even, so hence we can conclude that if a is even, a can be written as 2q, and if a is odd, a can be written as 2q plus 1. Now let us start another example with the same concept. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. Concentrate children. In the previous question, A has asked both odd and even. So he is telling that in the previous question, show that any even is in the form of 2q and odd is in the form of 2q plus 1. But here he is mentioning only odd number. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. So let me explain this question with some examples, then I will start. So you can see, as he told that, show that any odd number is in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So when you compare a lemma, a equals to bq plus r. So you can see the coefficient of q is b. So here the coefficient of q is 4 in both conditions. So I can conclude that b is what? 4. What is b here? B is the divisor. Means I have to divide any odd number by 4. So that is the conclusion. So if I divide any odd number by 4, then that division can be expressed only in these two forms. That is the meaning of the question. That is 4q plus 1 form or 4q plus 3 form. So now let us try with some examples. Here we have to take only odd numbers. So let me take 5. You know 5 is odd number. Let us divide by 4. 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 1. So how will you express it? 5 equals to 4 into 1 plus 1 form. So you can observe, compare, it is in the form of 4q plus 1 form. Next take another number 7. 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 3. So if you write in lemma form, you can write it as 7 equals to 4 into 1 plus 3 form. You can observe it is 4q plus 3 form. Similarly 9, another odd number. 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1. So 9 equals to 4 into 2 plus 1, that is 4q plus 1 form. Next 11. 11 is also an odd number. When you divide it by 4, remainder is 3. So 11 equals to 4 into 2 plus 3 form. So as you observed here, I have taken many odd numbers and divided by 4. The only possible remainders I am getting is 1 and 3. So you can check any odd number with and divide it by 4. The only remainders are 1 and 3. The only possibility you can express in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So this I explained you with the examples, but this you cannot write as an answer. So let us use lemma and write. So solution. So as it is, whatever I have used the steps in the previous question, just you have to use lemma and substitute. So let a be any positive odd integer. Why I am taking here odd? Because in the question he has mentioned odd. Let a be any positive odd integer and b equals to 4. Why b is 4? Just now I told the coefficient of q, you can see here it is 4. So it is divisor, that is b equal to 4. And according to Euclid division lemma, a can be written as, you can see same steps whatever I have written in the previous question. So what is lemma? Lemma tells you a equals to bq plus r. So a equals to bq plus r. So in place of b you write 4. It becomes a equals to 4q plus r, where r is less than 4, greater than or equal to 0. Why less than 4? Because condition of lemma is r is less than b. So in place of b we have 4. So I used the lemma and the condition to write this. So I got one idea now what are the remainders. Therefore, the possible remainders are, you can see this condition and write the possible remainders less than 4. So I have to write less than 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 are the possible remainders. So once you get the possible remainders, you have to go on substituting in the lemma in place of r 0, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, a can be written as, how will you write a now? A can be written as 4q plus r. R is 0. So it becomes 4q. 4q plus next remainder is 1. 4q plus 1. The next remainder is 2. It becomes 4q plus 2. And the next remainder is 3. It becomes 4q plus 3. So these many chances we have to write a, that is any dividend. That is any dividend. What is particularly here? The dividend is odd number. So we have 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3. We have 4 options. But what he has asked in the question, express in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. But we have here 4. So this should be removed. This is multiple of 4. Here also multiple of 4 plus 2. So these two, as you know, they are even numbers. So give the condition, since a is odd. Given in the question, since a is odd, a cannot be written as. So a cannot be written as what? 4q plus 2. So a cannot be written as 4q plus 2. Okay, you can cancel these two out of 4. At last, view the conclusion. Therefore, any odd positive integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So if you compare these two examples, both are same. The only in example 2 the divisor is 2 and in example 3 the divisor is 4. Thank you, children.